We have sale going here. 50% off on everything.
Guys, I'm not telling you, I love to watch my vlog them. I'm just a blush your eyes. Stand up on this.
But mostly Roblox. And you know, when I came, he was at level 400. He was.
Come to me.
हम दोनों में दुश्मनी क्या है? क्यों हम दोनों एक दूसरे के दुश्मन बनकर रिश्ता? तो क्या वर्ल्ड में सबसे ज्यादा पावरफुल इंडिया हो जाएगा? और अगर मैच तुम जीत गए, तो क्या सबसे ज्यादा पावरफुल अमेरिका हो जाएगा?
Guardians of the Galaxy. Thank you.
अब हमें अपने लिए सोचना होगा, अपने इस देश के लिए सोचना होगा, वरना ऐसे लोग कभी
5 minutes and my team will do the rest. Yes, you heard me very well. In less than 24 hours, $1,000 will enter your account. Then
Come on, follow. Okay. Sir, ऊपर देखिए sir. Damn it.
Swan here.
Be my mentor.
I'm quite flattered you'd consider me, but as
Yes, you. Look up boy. I'm gonna know what boy you.
have much time on my hands.
Yes, you.
I want to come out.
Where's Jonathan?
राजस्थान के रेती
John's mega pouch in here.
बसा एक राज्य जिसके
Sit up, please. Sit up, please. Sit up, please.
So Darren got a lot of nuts, bro. This might be a crazy fight.
One man alone can tiny.
Tiny little family. I like tiny.
This shit trash.
I love the tiny.
That's all about 3%.
Yeah, he has some nice skin.
Yeah.
Jolly, sit down one place so your pants can dry, yeah?
Skins, that's not a skin, it's just clothes, right? A skin is like, so say that your character look like that, but like it's Christmas. Then put in a new skin, a Christmas skin.
Oh, but that's what his character looks like.
I know.
Oh, okay.
I want the character in the pool. I love Kelly. I love Kelly. That's the taxi.
No, we're not taking the taxi. I don't have any money for that.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm ready.
Alright, let's go. Look for my foot. Is that wrong slippers my van, brother? Wrong slippers.
Oh, read it down. Oh, read it down. Couldn't get it down.
I told you not to. I'm gonna watch it. Okay. I know. Walk up Najala. Ooh, so hot. On our way. Oh, let's take a picture right here. Come. Smile. I love you guys.
Why don't you let you see my head, so?
Oh crap, I'll go walk with the dog there.
No, the dog that straight down.
Oh yeah. I'll go walk on the bridge.
Why, you scared of him?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause it's a dog.
Mom, why you scared of the dog? But you want one, but you
Because the dog that I'm going to get is mine dog. Go, Pops.
Mom, so if I want to
So I need to walk over to the corner. Give me a hand here, Sajal.
Mom,
Want something for drink? Alright then, cool. Let me just get the hair first and then I get something for you for drink here. Them teeth, yes, it's called human trafficking, and they steal children to have sex with them, to cut up the body parts and sell them to people, and people do ritualistic things like demonic things like offer up to different demons and gods, and they need like the blood of a child, a 3-year-old, like the virgins of a child. Yes, so you have people who have sex with little children and do ritualistic things for like demons, satans, of what they believe in. That's why children are the most valuable things on this earth, Jonathan. Do you understand me? Even God himself said, anybody hurt a child, it better for them go dead. Jesus said that. Yes, Papa? If I'm going to change your hair? No, I'm alone going to change my hair. We're going to go Rochester first here. We're going to stop at that one here and then go the next one around this. So. God is good. We're going to find a pack of ear in a room for $3.50. Baby, give me 5 pack. Oh, he's a real, in my orange, you know. In them round, and a round. Them are gonna know say a round. Tell them name, pretty girl.
It's round. No, I like the phone, I'm pretty nice.
I just said this, I'm an idiot Samsung, 8 it. How much pump did you use the last time? 4 pack. This I'm gonna buy, guys. $3.50. I buy 5 pack. Yeah, my vlog. Delete it out. We can delete it from delete it now. Oh. So this have 5, right?
Yeah.
I do makeup, YouTube, I travel, fitness, daily vlogs. How much for everything? Mara. How much for everything?
You're not gonna buy the
No. I don't know what kind of time to do the man. But these are the other style. It's an 18. Tell them to the sale go on again now. I don't want to listen and hear. The sale go on. $3.50 for the pack of ear.
We have sale going on, peeps.
4 bills.
50% off in store. Please come and visit our store.
Guys, come visit the store. Yes, my body here. God good no blood cleanse. Look at Jesus. Jal, come baby. Stand right here with me. And don't move again, okay, Papa? And I said nothing to me. Jesus Jalil. I love your tattoo. Madam say tattoo. I love your tattoo. Oh, you're a Jada Kingdom fan? Alright, then I want to agree. No, Jonathan, I'm going to buy 2 little Coke, okay? I said 2 little Coke. Sweetie. The squeeze and the little Coke. How much for the Coke? Little Coke. Alright, then give me 2. We say I want to give me 2 Coke, 2 grape. She's on sweetie.
No.
Oh, snackables. Jonathan, eat snackables? That's
Wait, am I fruit toast? Wait, no, not this. Yeah, I want that.
good. And then what I want to say?
Am I fruit toast? That one.
No, 1 in your bag already. I have 2 in your bag already, Papa. Yeah. Jonathan, give me 1 more cheese sponge. Yeah, 1 cheese sponge. And give me 1 water. You have in a bag?
Can put it in there.
No, Mama, I have my handbag. Yes, I can put them in there. What the cold is in there? Yeah, man, no. But I have snacks in it. Jonathan, I feel like I need 1 more snack. You know I take 1 more snack?
No, this can.
The cheese crunches and this?
Yes.
Alright, and then the 2 juice. And the sweetie then now, auntie.
Mom, it looks actually like I'm in a movie because it's blurry. Oh, well, your body,
No, don't eat that one, Jalil. Come to me. Don't stop touching us. Piss me off. Come here, Papa.
Lollipop?
Then stop them in. Which one you want? Which color? Another sweet thing? No. Alright, how about everything come to auntie? Cheese country.
Yes, snackable. So 200, 350, 450.
Alright.
And
And the two
this.
snack them and the sweet.
450, 5, 6, 700, 750.
Alright then. Here. I need your help, Jonathan. Here, you have to carry this for me. Yeah. I'm gonna braid it. See the braid right to my hand.
You're looking at glass and say you look good. Come here, look here.
Of course, I look good so that after here, I mean, I'm ugly. No, auntie, I stand and I go cuss and go on bad. So if I come and put in here, I'm ugly.
Yeah, no, me say you look good. You sound like you.
Yeah, auntie. Auntie, I might something them here. How much for this? No, wait, I have to come back. No, I have to come back. I'm going to buy the snacks.
Wait, no, me have the men out.
Adapt me attack, auntie. You chew buy the snacks. I come back here, so man.
I want them to come, man. Now, Mr. Say them are weird.
Of course, I did my way. You want to pull a lollipop now?
I may have these, you know. Me have something they use.
Yeah, when I come back, auntie, come my friend go do me ear now, yeah? Alright then, but I'm going to stop back. Come. You want to pull your sweetie now? You want to pull your sweetie now? So come. What do you look a boy? Come. Eh? No, I don't speak to her. She's sent to my cousin. I don't speak to my cousin. Yeah. I said hi though. I was cordial. You hear Johnny needs to lie down? I'm making a pillow. Alright. And you have again. Alright. Here's the charger. Put in my bag. I carried it because I don't know. I mean, my hair is so big, but I have to prepare. Alright, guys, I'm at Kadiean now, but you guys won't be seeing what she did to my hair.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want.
Jonathan, can you come in the black house, please?
Yes, sir.
We're all done. My orange hair. I'm gonna take a bunch of pictures, a bunch of videos. I just told Instagram that I shaved my head. I am a liar. I'm a pathological liar. So yes, baby.
No.
Oh, she never see. You still free sandally. And master. What happened, Jaleel? Hi. Alright, Katie. Bye. It's in the bag. It's in the bag. Bye. Come baby. Go that way. Yeah, see him there. Yeah, it's him. That's what kind of car. No, what one where you asked me the name of it? What name? What kind of car is it? What's it called? Pro Box. Yeah.
I love that car.
You do?
So big and tough.
Give me one.
Please don't take from me. I don't want to fall and bust my head.
Probably about half an hour, 45 minutes.
Mommy,
Yeah, almost an hour.
Mommy, I don't want to fall and bust my head.
I don't want it to fall and bust the head either. That's why I'm holding your hand. Wait on me, John. Huh? What? Yeah, it wasn't that long. It was almost an hour. I'm glad I don't want you guys to be sleeping long. Because supposing it's not sleep early tonight. Come this way. This way, Bubba. Don't walk away. Leave me like that, Bubs. So, don't put your foot on it. Just go all the way over. Hey, that food that looks so damn good. Jal. Jonathan, stop annoying him. Oh no. You're welcome. You're welcome. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At home, you guys. So, we started in the living room.
Mom,
Yeah.
tell them I want to play with Kalani.
I can't tell Jonathan that you want to play with Kalani. If you want to play with Kalani, go play with Kalani. Why not play with Kalani? What happened?
Because Jonathan mean to.
Who is Jonathan being mean to you?